Personalize the funnels and show individual content, questions, or recommendation to drive engagement. In this video, I'll show you how to control blog visibility based on devices or conditional rules. My name is Laura and welcome to Heyflow. There are two ways to personalize the content visibility. Device visibility. Show or hide blogs on specific devices. And conditional visibility. Set up conditional rules to display blogs based on your visitors' responses. In Heyflow, you can find both settings when clicking on a blog and heading to its settings on the right. Scroll down to visibility. Under default visibility, you can select the devices your blog should appear on. All, only mobile, or only desktop, or completely hidden. This is useful when you want to display different content depending on the screen size. For example, mobile users often scroll more, so you might show an additional CTA button on mobile than on desktop. Under conditional visibility, you can set up rules to decide when a blog should appear or not, based on users' answers or formulas. When setting up the rule, first select an input block, formula, or phone status for your condition. Depending on the question type, choose an operator, for example equals or contains. Then, select a value from the list of options or a value you define. You can also create condition groups or multiple conditions with and or combinations. Now you can define what happens if the conditions are met. You can choose hiding a blob or showing a blob depending on the rule. The blog's default visibility will be adjusted accordingly. For example, instead of showing everything at once, the page adapts as you go. When someone selects with your spouse, only then the relevant field appears. Nothing extra, nothing distracting. And when users make a choice, a bit of positive feedback can make all the difference. It turns a simple interaction into something more engaging and encouraging. Also, as soon as enough information is entered, you can respond instantly with a formula result. In Heyflow, enable show hidden blogs on the bottom so you can always see all the blogs used on that page. Congratulations! You now know how to control blog visibility in Heyflow. For more information on this topic, visit our help center or check out other videos. Happy building!